We now have the totals cleaning function. Let's get the details cleaning function. Copy-paste the totals cleaning function below and change the name and the description. Leave the first part of the function up to the part where we dropped the unnecessary indexes. Our data frame right now has 3 indexes or metrics. Each column header is a campaign name, and the data are the campaign values for each metric. What we want is just one column with the campaigns ordered vertically. Also, we need to add the campaign index with its title as the data point. Let's start with the titles. First, we need to take the title of the campaigns out and add them to the data frame with the index name campaign. To do this, we create the variable titles, which is a data frame, and copy the titles into a row. Then add the index campaign to it. Now we append the data to those titles. Thus, now we have a table with the campaign name, impressions, clicks, and ad spend for each campaign. But we need to stack them into one column. So we make this new variable called oneColumn and initialize it with the first column and the other campaigns below. Now we have a data frame with the campaign blocks as before in Google Analytics. To differentiate these indexes later to the right campaign, we need to add the _0 and _1 and so on for each campaign, impressions, clicks, and spend. We have done this double for loop in the other script, so you could just copy-paste it into this function. Then replace the old index of the one-column data frame with the new index. Lastly, we return a cleaned data frame with the ISO year and week as the column header and the index of the stats data frame, which is a list of the campaign and the other 3 metrics.